We begin with a Civil War era law that some say has no place in our modern society.
The citizen's arrest law allows a private person to chase and arrest an offender if a crime is committed in his presence.
That is tonight's top story. The statute came under scrutiny when it was used by an attorney to justify the killing of Ahmaud Arbery. Arbery was gunned down after an encounter with three men in a Brunswick neighborhood last year. Governor Kemp agrees with those who say the law has been misused and has led to vigilantism. Today, he unveiled legislation to repeal the statute. WSAV News 3's Archie Seshadri is in our Georgia Capitol newsroom with that story.
Governor Kemp announced new legislation that would overhaul Georgia's citizen arrest statute.
As you all know, on May 5th last year, a viral video shocked the world. The horrific killing of Ahmaud Arbery shook a Georgia community to its very core. And as I've said many times since that tragic day, people in every community across our state felt anger, disbelief, and a deep sorrow.
Governor Kemp says hate has no place in the state, and this would repeal an old law.
Ahmaud was a victim of vigilante style of violence that has no place in Georgia. And some tried to justify the actions of his killers by claiming they had the protection of an antiquated law that is ripe for abuse.
The new bill also removes legal loopholes and prevents vigilantism.
I believe it is time for Georgia to take another step toward a better, safer, and more just future for our state. This bill repeals the current Civil War era statute to prevent the terrible consequences of a vague and outdated law.
Officers can still perform arrests outside their jurisdictions.
Georgians can still defend themselves and their home. Private business owners can still reasonably detain lawbreakers. And our heroes in law enforcement remain able to keep our communities safe day or night.
But it addresses concerns from activists who say the law unfairly targets African Americans because of systematic inequalities. Archie Seshadri, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Representative Carl Gilliard co-sponsored the bill to repeal the citizen's arrest statute. He says too many Georgians have died because of people taking the law into their own hands.